Bay windows are a beautiful architectural feature that can transform a home's appearance while adding natural light, expanded views, and additional interior space. Their unique design makes them a favorite among homeowners in Warren who want to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of their living spaces. However, like any home feature, bay windows can develop problems over time due to age, weather exposure, or improper installation. Understanding the most common bay window issues and how experienced professionals address them can help homeowners protect their investment and maintain the comfort and value of their homes. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most frequent complaints homeowners have about aging bay windows is the presence of drafts. If you notice cold air entering your home during winter or warm air seeping in during summer, your bay window may no longer be sealing properly. Drafts often occur because of worn weather stripping, deteriorated seals, or gaps that develop as materials expand and contract over time. These issues can reduce comfort and force heating and cooling systems to work harder. Window specialists typically address air leakage by replacing damaged seals, installing new weather stripping, and ensuring that the window frame is properly insulated. In some cases, upgrading to modern energy-efficient windows may provide the most effective long-term solution. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation trapped between window panes is a common sign that the insulated glass unit has failed. Modern bay windows often use double or triple pane glass systems filled with insulating gases. When the seal between the panes breaks, moisture can enter and become trapped. This issue not only affects visibility but can also reduce the window's insulating performance. Professionals often resolve this problem by replacing the insulated glass unit or, if necessary, installing a new window system. Modern replacement options can restore energy efficiency and improve the overall appearance of the bay window. Water intrusion and leaks. Because bay windows project outward from the home, they require proper flashing, sealing, and structural support to prevent water intrusion. Over time, damaged caulking, deteriorated flashing, or installation defects can allow water to penetrate around the window. Signs of water intrusion may include staining, peeling paint, soft wood, or visible moisture near the window area. Experienced window professionals identify the source of the leak and perform targeted repairs. This may involve replacing flashing, resealing joints, repairing damaged materials, or correcting drainage issues to ensure water is directed away from the home. Addressing leaks quickly helps prevent more extensive structural damage and costly repairs. Structural sagging bay windows are heavier and more complex than standard windows because they extend beyond the exterior wall. Over time, inadequate support systems or age-related wear can cause the window structure to sag. Homeowners may notice uneven appearance, difficulty opening windows, gaps around the frame, or visible shifting. Structural sagging should never be ignored because it can affect both performance and safety. Window experts often correct sagging by reinforcing support systems, adjusting structural components, or replacing damaged framing materials. Proper repairs restore stability and ensure the bay window functions as intended. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Bay window assemblies often include operable side windows that allow for ventilation. Over time, hardware components can wear out, tracks may become misaligned, or frames can shift slightly due to settling. When windows become difficult to open or close, homeowners may experience frustration and reduced functionality. Professional repairs may include replacing hardware, adjusting alignment, lubricating moving parts, or correcting frame issues. These improvements help restore smooth operation and improve the overall user experience. Deteriorating frames and trim. Exposure to changing weather conditions can gradually affect exterior trim and window frames. Wood components may experience rot, while other materials can crack, warp, or show signs of aging. Damaged frames not only affect curb appeal but can also compromise the window's ability to insulate and protect against the elements. Experts evaluate the extent of the damage and recommend appropriate repairs or replacement options. Modern materials often offer improved durability and reduced maintenance requirements compared to older window systems. Improving energy efficiency. Many older bay windows lack the advanced energy-saving features available in today's products. Homeowners may notice rising utility bills or uneven indoor temperatures around the window area. Window professionals often recommend upgrades that include insulated frames, low E-glass coatings, and advanced weather sealing systems. These improvements can significantly enhance comfort while reducing energy consumption. Protecting your investment bay windows are one of the most visually appealing and functional features a home can have, but they require proper care and occasional professional attention. Addressing problems early helps prevent minor issues from becoming major repairs and ensures the window continues to perform efficiently. For homeowners in Warren, working with experienced window specialists can provide peace of mind and lasting results. Whether dealing with drafts, leaks, condensation, or structural concerns, professional solutions help restore the beauty, comfort, and performance that make bay windows such a valuable addition to any home.